Dear student, welcome to the class of Sanskrit. Today we are going to see the last chapter of the ninth standard. Okay, chapter number 20, Sanskrit Bhashayam Vaisishtyam. You know that we have already started. I explain about what is the things are there in this lesson to learn, and we have started also, but unfortunately again we are in that period. So I am sending you this chapter through the online medium of learning. You please write down all the meaning, listen to the video, and it's very easy, interesting, nice chapter which make us what we can say curious to know more about our language Sanskrit, because it has certain types of speciality which are mentioned over here in this lesson. Here very few specialties are given, but these few speciality also gives us a pride that how our ancient language Sanskrit is a unique one in this entire world. Okay, now here I am going to read the introduction, and then quickly I will go through the lesson. Sanskrit has many distinguishing qualities. First, it is an ancient language of our country. Secondly, it is our cultural, natural language. It is the bearer of Indians' ancient culture and civilization. Moreover, Sanskrit is the mother of not only Indian languages but also many languages of the world. The fame of Sanskrit is universal, but it is no longer the language of everyday use as it once was in the past. Hence, people are not able to feel a sense of oneness with the language. Mankind should come to know the greatness of Sanskrit in this lesson. The greatness of Sanskrit. In this lesson, an attempt has been made to move in that direction. Means here attempt is there to show you the greatness of Sanskrit. How Sanskrit is a very great language. A beginning is being made here to explain the special features of Sanskrit. The ability of language has for expression and various alternatives that exist for this expression. Okay, now here first paragraph I am reading, then meaning, then translation. Okay. वयं जानीम यत् संस्कृतभाषा सर्वसां भारतीयभाषाणां जननी वर्तते, अथ च संसारे या भाषा सन्ति तासु सा प्राचीनतमा भाषा। अस्या भाषाया अनेकविधं वैशिष्ट्यम् अस्ति। अत्र उदाहरणरूपेण किञ्चित् वैशिष्ट्यं प्रदर्शयामः। वयं मीन्स वी, जानीम मीन्स नो, यत् मीन्स दैट, सर्वासां मीन्स ऑफ ऑल, भारतीय भाषाणां मीन्स इंडियन लैंग्वेजेस, जननी मीन्स मदर, अथ now, ch means and, sansare means in the world, ya bhasha which languages, santi are, tasu among them, sa means about Sanskrit language, that or this, prachintama the most ancient, asya of this, bhashaya language, anek viddam of manifold or many type, vaishishtam speciality or special features, अत्र here उदाहरण रूपेण as example, किंचित some वैशिष्ट्यम speciality pradarshayama we show. So the translation will be like this. We know that Sanskrit language is the mother of all Indian languages, and now which languages are there in the world, it is the most ancient language among them. There are many special features of this language. Here we show some speciality or special features as example. Now the first वैशिष्ट्यम, संसारस्य समस्तेषु पुस्तकालयेषु प्राचीनतम ग्रंथ वर्तते ऋग्वेद। अयमपि संस्कृतभाषायाः एव ग्रंथः, एवं संसारस्य प्रथमं पुस्तकमपि संस्कृतस्य एव वर्तते, न तु कस्याचित् अन्यस्य भाषायाः. Means what? Prathama means the first, sansarasya means of the world, samasteshu in all, pustakaleshu libraries, prachintam the most ancient, grantham is treatise. Rigved, name of Grantha. Ayamapi means this also. Sanskrit Bhashaya means of Sanskrit. Evam, thus, Prathamam, the first, Pustakam, book, Sanskrita save, of Sanskrit only. Now get the translation. The first speciality. Rigved is the most ancient treatise among all the libraries of the world. This treatise is also of Sanskrit language only. Thus, the first book of the world is of Sanskrit only, not of any other language. So it must be a thing for proud of us. Okay, इस तरह से खाली ब्रिटिशर इस तरह का प्राउड लेते कि क्रिकेट की खोज हमने की है, तो ये तो उससे कहीं बढ़िया चीज़ है. द वर्ल्ड फर्स्ट बुक is of Sanskrit only. So it is a thing to be proud of us. Okay. Now, second, Dvitiya Vaishishtam. This you please try to listen and understand very well, because it shows the nice speciality of Sanskrit that we have the order of alphabets. Why order of alphabets in such a way only? Why ka first, then ka kha, then ga, 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 cha, cha, ja, ja? Why? Why swar a, e first, then this consonant? Nice scientific and logical order is there to arrange this alphabetical order. Such a type of logical and scientific order is nowhere in the world. दुनिया की कोई भी भाषा में इस तरह का साइंटिफिक ऑर्डर नहीं है. कोई जवाब नहीं दे सकता कि पहले ए क्यों, बाद में बी क्यों, या पहले सी क्यों, या डी क्यों, या जेड क्यों लास्ट में, कोई नहीं कह सकता. बट संस्कृत हैज द आंसर फॉर इट. सो नाउ लिसन. द्वितीयं वैशिष्ट्यं. संस्कृत भाषाया या वर्णमाला अस्ति तत्र यह वर्णक्रम निर्धारित वर्तते सह वैज्ञानिक तार्किक च अस्ति. प्रकृतितः सर्वेभ्य मानवेभ्य यत् उच्चारण तंत्रं प्राप्तम् अस्ति तस्य अनुसरण कृत्वा अत्र वर्णमालायाः वर्णानां क्रम निर्धारितो वर्तते. उच्चारण तंत्रस्य अनुसारम् अकारस्य उच्चारणं प्रथमं भवति. अतः वर्णमालायाम् अकार प्रथम वर्तते. एवमेव व्यंजन वर्णेषु ककारस्य क्रम पूर्व चकारस्य क्रम, ककारस्य क्रम पूर्व चकारस्य च क्रम पश्चात् वर्तते. तस्यापि कारणम् इदमेव. अन्यासु भाषासु या वर्णमाला सन्ति तत्र एतादृश वैज्ञानिक तार्किक वैज्ञानिकश्च क्रम न मिलति. Now Dvitiya Vaishishtyam is second. Vaishishtyam means feature or speciality. Varnamala means alphabet. Varnakrama means order of letter. Nirdharita means decided. Vaigyanik means scientific. Tarkik means logical. Prakrutitah from nature. Sarvebhya to all. मानवेभ्य human being. यत which. उच्चारण तंत्र technique of pronunciation. प्राप्तम got. तस्य अनुसरण. अनुसरण means following. तस्य means its. Then according to that आकार means आकार ऐसा साउंड है, ये वोवल से बराबर. मैं जब अ बोलने जाता हूं तो पहले अनायास बोला जाता है अ. आ विल कम आफ्टरवर्ड बिकॉज अ प्लस आ मिलकर आ बनता है. तो पहले अ आएगा, फिर आ, फिर ई, टांग ऊपर जाएगी, फिर ई गिर गई, टांग और थोड़ी ऊपर जाएगी, थोड़ी बेंड होगी, ओ. ओके, सो इट हैज द ऑर्डर इन बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोनाउंसिएशन टेक्निक विच वी हैव गॉट फ्रॉम द नेचर. पहले जब मैं बोलूँगा तो क ख ग ग वो कंठ्य है. ये मैं यही स्टार्टर में आपको समझा चुका हूँ, इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा इसमें टाइम नहीं लेता हूँ. अभी मैं और आगे बढ़ता हूँ, और भरोसा भी नहीं कि आप में से कितने वीडियो सुनते हैं. हियर आई हैव गिवन द मीनिंग. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड यू एंड गिव यू द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस. द सेकंड स्पेशल फीचर, द अल्फाबेट the alphabet which is of Sanskrit language, the order of the alphabet which is decided there is scientific and logical. The technique of the pronunciation which we got which is got to all human beings from nature, following it the order of letter in the alphabet is decided according to the technique of pronunciation. According to the technique of pronunciation, the letter a is pronounced first, so the letter A is the first letter in the alphabet. In the same way, among the consonants, the reason why the letter K is earlier and Ch is later is the same only. In the alphabet of the other languages, such a logical and scientific order is not found. Now, the third speciality. तृतीय वैशिष्ट्यम आचार्येण पाणिनिना विरचितम् अष्टाध्यायी नाम्ना प्रसिद्ध संस्कृत व्याकरणं मानव मस्तिष्कस्य सर्वोत्तमा कृति वर्तते. एतादृशं व्याकरणम् अन्यत्र न उपलभ्यते. मीन्स तृतीय मीन्स थर्ड, वैशिष्ट्य मीन्स स्पेशलिटी, आचार्येण मीन्स आचार्य, वी कैन से प्रिसेप्टर, पाणिनि नेम पाणिनि, na means by Panini, Virachita means composed, Virachita means composed, Ashtadhyay is the name of the book. Prasiddha, famous, Sanskrit Vyakaran, grammar of Sanskrit or Sanskrit grammar, Mano Mastikasya of human brain, Sarvottama Kruti, the best creation, Vartate is, and this is considered by the Europeans also. Ashtadhyay is considered the best creation of human being, and this is the grammar of Sanskrit. Such a kind of etadrusham is such a kind of grammar anyatra no uplavdi. No any other book is there for grammar of in any other language. Okay, so the translation of third will be the third special feature. Ashtadhyay name the famous Sanskrit grammar composed by Acharya Panini is the best creation of human brain. Such a grammar is not found anywhere else. Now चतुर्थ वैशिष्ट्य. संस्कृत भाषायां महाभारत नाम्ना प्रसिद्ध एक ग्रंथ वर्तते. सः लक्ष श्लोक परिमितः. एतादृश विशालकाय ग्रंथ निखिले अपि संसारे नास्ति. इदमपि संस्कृतस्य अपरं वैशिष्ट्यं. So the first book is of Sanskrit. The most ancient book is of Sanskrit. Sanskrit has the scientific and technological order of the alphabet. It has a nice grammar composed by Panini, which is considered the best creation of human mind. And now the biggest one, Laksha Sloka, 1 lakh verses, and that is in Mahabharata. You know Mahabharata, everybody knows very well. Grantham is treatise, or here we can say magnum opus also. A new word is there, but it is magnum opus, means a very large work. Laksha Sloka means 1 lakh sloka, parimita means consist of. Etadrusha, like this, Vishalkaya, big, Grantha, magnum opus, Nikhile appeal in whole world, Nasti is not. And this is also, Aparam is the other, Vaishishtyam is speciality. सबसे बड़ा बुक होना, सबसे ज़्यादा जिसमें लिखा है ऐसा बुक भी किसका है? संस्कृत का है. So the translation of this paragraph will be the fourth speciality, the Sanskrit language in speciality. The fourth speciality in Sanskrit language, there is a famous magnum opus named Mahabharata that is consisting of a 1 lakh verses of 1 lakh verses. Such a big magnum opus is not there in the whole world. This is also the another speciality of Sanskrit. Now fifth, we have to go till 8. पंचमं वैशिष्ट्यं रामायण नाम प्रसिद्धम आदिकाव्यम अस्ति. पुरातने भारते अयं ग्रंथ अनेकासु लिपिषु लिखितः. सम्प्रति स नेवारी, मैथिली, बंगाली, देवनागरी, तेलुगु ग्रंथ मलयालम, शारदा इत्यादिषु लिपिषु लिखितः मिलति. संस्कृत भाषाया एतादृशा बहवो ग्रंथा सन्ति ये प्राचीन काले अनेकासु लिपिषु लिखिता. एतादृश उपक्रम अपि संस्कृतस्य एव वैशिष्ट्यं वर्तते. Okay, first get the meaning and then translation, then explanation I will give you. Pancham is fifth. Ramayana, know the name of a book, and it is considered Adi Kavyam is the first poem, first poetic work. That is Ramayana. Puratani, in ancient India. Ayam Grantham is this treatise. Anekas, or you can say scripture also, because it is related to the religion, so you may use word scripture also. अनेकासु मीन्स इन वेरियस, लिपिसु मीन्स स्क्रिप्ट. देखो यहाँ पर स्क्रिप्ट की बात है. जिस तरह से हमारी हिंदी जो है, संस्कृत है, वो देवनागरी भाषा लिखी जाती है, उसी तरह से अनेक स्क्रिप्ट है. तो उस स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा जाना, मूल जो भाव है या तो जो घटना है या तो जो कथा है वो एक ही, लेकिन स्क्रिप्ट अलग अलग. That means it is written in every corner of world, in every village, in every script. जिन्होंने भी ये सुना उसको, उन्होंने उसको अपनी भाषा में लिखा. देखने जाए तो तुलसीदास की ये जो रामायण जो आदि काव्य है कि जो वाल्मीकि द्वारा रचित तो संस्कृत में है. फिर उससे प्रभावित होकर, उसको पढ़कर प्रभावित होकर किसी ने उसे नैवारी भाषा में स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा, किसी ने मैथिली स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा, किसी ने बंगाली स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा, किसी ने देवनागरी में लिखा. ओके, सो इन दिस वे, एंड इन द ओल्डन इंडिया, इन एंशिएंट इंडिया, दिस वाज अ ट्रेंड. ये उपक्रम, स्पेशलिटी और वी कैन से एंटरप्राइजेस, ये खाली संस्कृत में देखने को मिलती है. कि जो संस्कृत के ऐसे कई पुस्तक हो गए कि जो इतने फेमस बने कि उसको कई भाषाओं में फिर कई स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा गया. ओके, सो दिस इज द explanation of this paragraph. Now get the meaning. Suprasadya means well known. Adi Kav means first poem. Lipisu means script. Samprati, now at present. Sah, that. Naivari, Maithili, Bengali, Devanagari, Telugu, Grantha, Malayalam, Sarda, these all are the name of script. You have to write as it is if it is asked in translation. Ityadisu, etc. Likhitam is written. Milati is get or is found written. Sanskrit bhashaya of Sanskrit language. Etadrusha, like this. Bahuvo grantha, many scriptures or we can say treatise are there. Ye which prachin kale, in ancient time, anekasu lipisu, in various script likhita are written. Etadrusha upakrama, such a kind of enterprise api also Sanskritasya Vaishishtyam vartate, speciality of Sanskrit only, not of any other. Okay, so here translation I am going to tell you now of this Pancham Vaishishtya. The fifth special feature, well-known Ramayana is the first poetical work. In ancient India, this scripture is written in many scripts. Now this is found written in Naivari, Maithili, Bengali, Devanagari, Telugu, Granth, Malayalam, Sharda, etc. There are many such books. There are many such books that are written in many script in ancient time. Such enterprise is also the special feature of only the Sanskrit language. Now, sixth speciality. षष्ठ वैशिष्ट्यं संस्कृतभाषाया पञ्चतन्त्र नामक ग्रन्थ प्राय विश्वस्य सर्वासु भाषासु अनुदितः वर्तते। एतादृशं सौभाग्यम् अन्यस्य कस्याचित् भाषाया ग्रन्थेन अद्यावधि न प्राप्तम्. Here you can see the example of scripts are given. Here Sharda script, how it is written Sharda. Then Bengali script, Ramayana, how written. Then Grantha script, how the Ramayana is written. The name. You can. These are the script. Okay. Now Panchatantra. Everybody know Panchatantra. A very well-known storybook. Grantha means we can say book or storybook or treatise. Prior mostly Vishwasya means of world. Sarvasu all. Bhasasu language. Anudita is translated. Etadrusam saubhagya, such a kind of good fortune. Anyasya of other. Kasyachit of any. Bhashayah of language. Granthen by book. Adyavadi till today. Na praptam did not get. So only the Panchatantra is there, which is translated in all the world's language. How much it may be it attracted everybody towards it कि दुनिया के हर एक भाषा में इसका ट्रांसलेशन अवेलेबल है. So the sixth speciality, the book named Panchatantra, written in Sanskrit, is translated into almost all the languages in the world. Such a good fortune has not been achieved by a book in any other language till today. I hope that you are going to understand the lesson, and gradually you may going to feel proud about the Sanskrit language also, because for that purpose only this lesson is here, that we may know some importance of our own language Sanskrit, that how beautiful and graceful language it is. Okay. Now Saptam Vaisishtyam. संस्कृत साहित्ये दशकुमार चरित्र नामना प्रसिद्ध कथा पुस्तकं वर्तते. तस्य सप्तमे उच्छ्वासे एकं पात्रं वर्ग प्रयोग रहितानि वाक्यानि वदति. वर्णमालाया अमुकान् वर्णान् विहाय संवादकरणं संस्कृते एव संभवति, न अन्यत्र. नान्यत्र means न अन्यत्र. Meaning Sanskrit Sahitya means in Sanskrit literature, Dashakumar Charitra is a name. Dashakumar Charitra, name of a book. Prasiddha means famous. Katha Pustakam means story book. Tasya of the story book, it's Saptame, seventh, Uchvase, chapter, Ekam Patra, one character. वर्ग प्रयोग रहितानि मीन्स के प वर्ग में आपको समझा चुका हूँ क्लास में. प वर्ग माने क्या? प फ ब भ म. वाक्यानि वदति मीन्स वो ऐसे सेंटेंस बोलता है अपने कन्वर्जेशन में कि उसके कन्वर्जेशन में कहीं पर भी प फ ब भ म आए ही नहीं. ऐसे प्रकार के वाक्य बनाता है, शब्द बनाता है कि जिसमें प वर्ग के किसी भी व्यंजन का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. क्यों नहीं होता है वो हम बाद में देखेंगे. वो क्यों इस तरह से नहीं हो सकता है, क्योंकि उसका एक होठ है ना, कट गया था. अभी ओष्ठ के बिना ये प प ब ब है, ओष्ठी व्यंजन है. ओके. ओठ यदि नहीं एक दूसरे को टच करते तो प प ब ब में बोला नहीं जाता. उसका ओठ टूट गया है, इसलिए वो ऐसे डायलॉग्स बोलता है, संवाद करता है कि जिसमें प वर्ग के ये जो कॉन्सोनेंट है 5 प फ ब भ म, उसका प्रयोग ही नहीं करता है. You can think that how many rich vocabulary may be there in Sanskrit. Then only it can be possible. Okay. So here now translation. Varnamala means of alphabet. Amukan means some. Varna means letter. Vihaya means having left or leaving. Samvadakarana means make conversation. Sambhavita means possible. So the translation like this. The seventh speciality. There is a famous storybook named Dashakumar Charitra in Sanskrit literature. In the 7th chapter of that book, a character speaks. The sentence is, without the letter of p varg, that is p p b bh m. Do conversation having left some letters of alphabets is possible only in Sanskrit, nowhere else. And now the eighth speciality, अष्टम वैशिष्ट्यम एकस्य वर्णस्य प्रयोगेण काव्यकरणम संस्कृत एवं संपत्ति. एकस्य वर्ण प्रयोगेण, खाली एक वर्ण का प्रयोग करके, मीन्स खाली न का लिया तो न का प्रयोग लेकर, या तो द लिया तो द लेकर, खाली एक लेटर से काव्य बनाना, अर्थयुक्त काव्य. एकस्य वर्णस्य प्रयोगेन काव्यकरणम संस्कृते एव संभवति. महाकविना माघेन विरचितं शिशुपालवद् महाकाव्ये दकारस्य नकारस्य च एकमात्रस्य वर्णस्य प्रयोगेन निर्मितानि पद्यानि अस्य प्रमाणानि सन्ति. It's a great feature. Let me give you the meaning. Ashtam is 8, Vaishishtam is special feature. Ekasya is of 1, Varnasya later. Prayogen using Kavyakaranam to compose poem. Sambhavitam is possible. Mahakavi means the great poet. Maghen, name of a poet, Magh. Virachite means composed. शिशुपाल वध, ये उसके महाकाव्य का नाम है. एपिक, महाकाव्य मीन्स एपिक, एपिक नेम शिशुपाल वध. दकारस्य नकारस्य मीन्स द लेटर का दकार मीन्स द लेटर, एंड नकार मीन्स ऑफ न लेटर. एकमात्र से ऑफ वन वर्णस्य प्रयोगेन यूजिंग निर्मितानि मीन्स क्रिएटेड, पद्यानि वर्सेस अस्य ऑफ दिस, प्रमाणानि means we can say proof, संति means are. एवं संस्कृतस्य अनेकानि वैशिष्ट्यानि सन्ति. एवं means like this. संस्कृतस्य means of संस्कृत, अनेकानि means various, वैशिष्ट्यानि means special features, संति means are. So now get the translation of the last paragraph. The eighth special feature, composing poetry using only one letter can be possible in Sanskrit only. In the epic named Shishupal Vad, composed by the great poet Magh, the verses created by using only one letter, the and n, are the proof of this. In this way, there are many special features of Sanskrit language, many special features of Sanskrita. Now here some meanings are given that you please learn. Then Vikalpebhya Samuchitam Uttara, you can easily read the lesson and may get the answer. Sanskrit Bhashaya Laksha Shoka Paramita Grantha Mahabharata. Sansarasya Prachintama Grantha, that is Rigveda. Mukhatah Uchcharan Kale Kasya Swarna Varnasya Pradubhava Prathamam Vartati. To Prathama Swara, that is Akara, Akara. संस्कृतस्य वर्णमालायां वर्णानां क्रम कस्य आधारे निर्धारित, वर्णानां क्रम कस्य आधारित, तो उच्चारण तंत्रस्य आधारित. दशकुमार चरित्रस्य कतमे उच्छ्वासे प्रवर्ग प्रयोग रहितानि वाक्यानि सन्ति, दैट इज सप्तमी. पाणिनिना रचितस्य व्याकरणस्य किम नाम, दैट इज अष्टाध्यायी. आंसर इन संस्कृत that I am going to send you in the PDF. You please write with a question. I am sending only answer. Then here Prashna Vakya Rachata, in the bracket words are given. I am sending you the answer of this exercise also. Shabda Rupe Rikta Sthanani Puryata, I taught in the class how to get the correct answer by using our grammar section. हमारे जो ग्रामर में सेक्शन में दिया गया है शब्द रूपे, 20 शब्दों के जो रूप है, अकारांत, आकारांत, फेमिनाइन, उकारांत. देन ओके, हियर ग्रंथेन इज देयर. हियर ग्रंथ इज अकारांत मस्कुलर, देन ग्रंथेन, ग्रंथे मीन्स थर्ड पर्सन सिंगुलर. तो बाकी का जो दो है द्विवचन और बहुवचन के रूप, ग्रंथाभ्याम, ग्रंथ, उस आपको आंसर में लिखने का. आई एम सेंडिंग आंसर, सो डोंट वरी. वेल, बट व्हाइल यू आर राइटिंग, जस्ट टेक द क्लियरिटी फ्रॉम द टेक्स्ट also which is given in the your book only, क्योंकि उसमें संस्कृत है. तो संस्कृत के जो शब्द रूप दिए उसको देख लेने का कि यही बनता है कि नहीं। इस तरह से करोगे तो तुम्हें वो एक्सरसाइज किस तरह से करने की वो समझ में आएगा। एंड देन इन एक्सरसाइज 5 वी हैव टू ट्रांसलेट द फॉलोइंग सेंटेंस इनटू संस्कृत using the word given in bracket that I am also sending. But question number 6, Matrubhashayam Uttarani Likhita, that I am not going to send you. You have to read the lesson, you have to understand the lesson, and then you have to write down the answer by yourself. I found while correcting the paper, very few of you, I think, you have written the answer in English, because none of you are doing this work which I have given you to do by yourself. And that is why I purposely am not giving the answer in English, because these answers are very easy. If you are going to read the lesson, you can easily answer. But if you want all the things ready made, I am not going to serve you. And be very careful. In the next paper also, there will be some portions of the mark for, or there are some marks for answer in English also. So please write down all the answers, learn well, so you can get a nice mark. So dear students, here our syllabus is going to over. If any other doubt is there, you may ask me, and next time whatever possible by me, I will send you, so that during the exam you will not going to find any kind of a difficulty. Even I will send you one video also showing the last year's paper and how you have to write down the paper, so you can get the paper style also, and one paper also for the practice. Okay, in the next video. Till the time, I am sending you here translation and question answer of this lesson. You please write down the exercise 6 which I have given you to write down, do by yourself. Please do it and learn all the things well. I hope you are all in the home and doing your work seriously. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.